The National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Stark County until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. At 5:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain is falling over the warning area. Some locations may accumulate an inch to an inch and a half of rain in an hour. Some flooding of roads, streams, creeks, and rivers could occur since the ground is saturated. The heavy rain is not widespread. Some locations that may experience flooding include Canton. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following county: Stark, Ohio.